In question 1, you're given a little bit of information about the racing car and you need to show that the acceleration of the car is 12. So you cannot use that bit of information in showing it. You need to prove that the acceleration is 12 rather than using it in your calculation. So for part A, we'll look at what SUVAT data we've got. So we're told that it passes a point O with speed 12. That's going to be our initial. It passes a point A 4 seconds later, so 4 is our time. And it passes that point with a speed of 60. So we've got 3 bits of information which we can use to find A. Formula for V, U, A and T is V equals U plus AT. So then you can just sub in your values. 60 equals 12 plus 4A, and rearranging you'll be able to prove that A is 12 metres per second squared. In part B, we're going to be finding the distance between O and A. So again, we're going to do our SUVAT table. Distance is what we're trying to find. U is 12, V is 60, A, we're told in the previous part, is 12, and time we're not sure about. So we've got S, U, V and A. Our formula for that is V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So 60 squared equals 12 squared plus 2 times 12 times by S. So you're going to rearrange that, and that will give you that S is 144 metres. In part C, the important thing to notice is that if B is the midpoint of OA, the only thing that you know is the distance from O to B. It doesn't tell you anything about the time, because unless it was travelling at constant velocity, the time wouldn't be halved, so don't try and divide the time. What you do know though is that OB is your previous distance of OA divided by 2. 144 divided by 2 is 72, not as some of you put 74. So we're going to fill out our SUVAT table again. We know the distance is 72. It's still starting from O, so it's still going to be 12 as our starting velocity, but we don't know the speed at which it passes B. So that's what we're trying to find out. And the acceleration is part of the journey, so it's still going to be 12. Same formula again. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So V squared is 12 squared plus 2 lots of 12 times 72, which will give you V equal to 43.3 metres per second.